So 400 meters.
400 plus.
More or less about 400 plus meters. And this is the Mafoku tunnel. And the drain tunnel is here, but it's already landslide covered.
But it's still passable. Kasi
Still
ito,
passable. Can be
naging
fixed.
ventilation. Ventilation ito.
This is the ventilation now.
Itong drive na ito is fix ito. Kasi solid hard ground ito eh. So hanggang dito sa sa chamber 1, I think nasa 200 meters. Okay, sabi natin nasa 190 meters. And then from chamber 1, nag-decline siya ng 30 degree. Almost 100 meters. And then another decline 30 degrees papunta dito sa baba na ito. So ito yung minus 30 meters from this base. From 575 level na ito, sabi na ito 578 dito, no? So yung level dito sa baba hanggang dito sa drive na ito nasa ano ito eh 54. Teka, hintay lang natin. 5 to 5 raise 598 575